Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdo bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya government is willing to hold talks with militant organizations under the ambit of the constitution, says Meghalaya Chief Minister. Thendroid farmers protest Dealers Association of meddling prices of agricultural produces. Generosity invites blessings, Don Bosco Society, Shillong Province. And People's Cooperation to ensure clean governance, says Thma Urangli Juki. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed that all those people who were involved in the recent Star Cement blast in East Jainti Hills district and police premises in Clarion have been arrested and legal actions have been taken as per provision of the law of the land. When asked whether the state government is willing to hold talks with proscribed HNLC, the Chief Minister said that the state government is willing to hold talks with any militant organization, but the militants should first surrender, lay down arms, and in the talk there should be no preconditions. Talks can be held under the framework of the Indian Constitution, Sangma added.
Are ready to discuss with them if they are surrendering and coming forward to discuss with them, but we don't want any kind of conditional talks out here. They must surrender and they must come forward and want a discussion with us. We are ready to talk, but it has to be an unconditional talk, and it has to be a talk that is very much within the constitutional framework of the country. But I can tell you that the people who were responsible for the Star Cement blast have already been arrested.
People's cooperation is the only way to ensure clean governance, says one of the members of Thma Urangli Juki. The protest in front of the State Secretariat in Shillong observed that Angela Rangat has made the state government to rectify the various anomalies relating to the payment of large numbers of daily wage earners in the state who lost their jobs due to lockdown imposed by the state government. Rangat also said there are still so many things that are yet to be rectified by the state government. Rangat said Thma Urangli Juki has prepared a web portal in which the affected can lodge their complaints and they can also avail the various information which will be beneficial to them.
.in Yo tang siteng ne sipawa pila ban pendap ya ka form bat katur kan pha ya kani sa ka sarkar. To pe ki bun pha ki kerteng kersan bor lang ling do pe biang mo bakini barok ki biang nang ta pat de pe hang ni thok pila yo ne em ya ka pisa yes or no ka bamut ho ne em lada pi khnyot itu yes kala biang bat pila ban pendap pa de hang ni kat nu kata ka bisa bapio la ka de news pa thok kom to news pa la ne at phowe ya ka phone call pa de kala ban wan na continue ki number snow bhara ya ka phone haba phira ya ka phone pinyo snow kumni
TUR ba Thma Urangli Juki yoni agani ngachum.
Hello, ni phone na resengtur.
ROBOC
kani ka de haktin garo bat khasi subut ba yakijin batay.
The farmers of Thendroid area in East Khasi Hills district today strongly protested the Dealers Association of meddling the prices of agricultural producers of Thendroid and its adjoining villages. Speaking to the media at the premise of Ususotham Auditorium in Shillong, the farmer said the Dealers Association has no right to fix the prices of agricultural producers. Only the producers have the right to fix the prices of agricultural producers and not the Dealers Association. They also said that if the Dealers Association are unwilling to purchase their producers, they can market them by setting their producers to the different localities and markets. Speaking on the occasion, one of the farmers, Ba Aibok Karsono, strongly opposed the Dealers Association.
Lada don ubuthiet putulka wan suwe kamadin duna sur thiet khatar don suwe ubuduna khndet badit ben pendap uthiet adu khatsan kata kalong lai luj tendrei ka bamenta bat kecing susi kecing kum ki pai no rap namar bayakani kador kubi la kalong tat la kalong la kibu tang kawe kador bat kata kador ka bak ki bu lang bacung kene ka susion ka bumut ngimla ban tip men setiap akapur ka bangi ngimut benlik ot sur kamut tip hadu sibit damit kata ka ba pensusi ji kum ki pai ba no riap kacing kwa cui metangi mi sak mat kalong ba lala lane latat ai bekinong thiet kin thiet la kachong kado.
Another farmer bordering one car condemned the Dealers Association of threatening those people who tried to purchase their goods at higher prices.
te nakling ko chungi kumudong rep ko mangilay ong lay don matalang ngadu mau ngat kitu kitian ki irias to borok we tingi wiang ka to te to kabar kamut ba nagaling chunga kumudong rep upalai kendu ye kecing kumalai kren tahakan ni kapor ngas ngoba ya gitu ki kentien ki bala penni dak itu ke dolar ki bala ong ba nyin sange no ya ka ban thiet mar thiet kubi thiet sola tingau ge ki nagaling chungi no ram ni ong ki ba nyimla ban penbor ki la da ki sange le ne ki ya ki thiet song kamon chungki.
Generosity invites blessings. And the more generous you are, the more blessed you become. Love for one's own fellow men does not depend on having an established relationship, but on a magnanimous and thoughtful heart and attitude towards others. This is something that we got to witness in the actions of the Don Bosco Society, Shillong Province, under the leadership of Reverend Father James Thirnyang. The society is now reaching out to the needy in the society with aids that have come from across the seas from the Polten district of Austria, to be precise. Assistance were provided to the inhabitants of Umpling and Nongra with the support of the Sisters of the Visitation Sisters of Don Bosco under the leadership of Sister Tasiana Imle, Sister Superior. Sister Philomena Kurba compiled the names of the households there, while Sister Yoris M. Lingdo and others volunteered in distributing the aid packages to more than 90 families in the area.
Jadi semua kamtam ya barok Sister Berhane, Sister Tasiana Superior, Sister Bibiana Principal Yoris Berhane, Sister Philomena. But barok Sister kibala tip, but kibala wewat yafi, panang berdau kijuan hane. Te shua pangasabatai kimbiat, nakuaban ai kalat di pada Lukas, di badan bangi hapo Matthias Institute. Father, I give you a chance to share your experience, especially in this work and especially the work you have done in the last few months. This year, when the pandemic began, especially the boys and girls and people from different states in Shillong were settling down, they had a difficulty in meeting the food, shelter, everything, and they are staying in Shillong, far away from their own places. They have no food to eat, they have no money to pay the rent. So I decided, after much reflection, I have to go out of the box and do something. But for which...
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.